I'm gonna show you how to advertise for your business using just your cell phone. So I've been reading a lot of sad and unfortunate posts recently about restaurants and other businesses having to close their doors because of the economy or whatever it may be. What I'm gonna show you is not a solution to save your business, but it will help you get your name out to new potential customers or recurring customers who haven't been in a while. We're in some scary financial times, but at risk of hurting my own business, I'm going to give you 100% free advice on how to create videos for yourselves and advertise for your business using just your cell phone. So I made a post the other day and I asked people, what do you want to see from Intellego Media when we're not creating videos for other clients? And one of the comments was, how do you make inexpensive videos for entrepreneurs who are on a budget? Content is king these days, and you have to work extra hard to remind customers that you still even exist. So let's dive in. Number one, I want you to download CapCut while you're watching this video right now, and I will wait for you. So you've downloaded CapCut. Number two, I want you to sit down with your phone, go to the Notes app, which is my most used app, by the way, and I want you to write down two things. Number one, write a paragraph on how you would encourage people to walk in the door. Remind people that you're still in existence, why you do what you do, and that you're local. Number two, I want you to write down a special offer that you're willing to give to your customers as an incentive for them to walk in the door, and do so with a time constraint too. So if you come in before the end of the week, you'll get X% off on your next order, or you'll get this specific meal for half off, whatever that looks like and whatever you're able to afford as a business. I want you to write these things down in a sincere manner, not cheesy, because if you put out content that's cheesy, that's insincere, you're gonna look like a cheesy and insincere business. Okay, number three on the things I want you to do, I want you to think visually. So when you're filming, don't walk into a dark room, dimly lit room. Don't go through your office space where there's tons of noise. Find some natural light, use some actual lights like we have here in this studio, and make sure you can be clearly heard without a bunch of distractions in the background. So for example, find a quiet room with a nice window, walk over next to the window, have some good natural light on your face, and there's not a bunch of distractions in the background. So number four, let's film it. Memorize your outline, take your phone, point it at yourself, and film A-roll. A-roll in this industry is the speaking content of your video. What you're watching right now is A-roll. So film it, do a couple takes, then you're ready for the next phase. So the next phase, number five, would be to film applicable B-roll. B-roll helps tell your story. So if you're a restaurant owner and you're offering discounts on meals or whatever that looks like, film beautiful shots of your food. Film people smiling and having a good time at your restaurant. Whatever that looks like, make sure it applies directly to what you're speaking about in your A-roll. Why do you film B-roll instead of just your face talking? Because it engages the viewer. It tells your story visually. Rather than just telling a story, you're showing customers your story. And that is vital for keeping viewer attention. So you've now filmed your A-roll, you filmed your B-roll. Now it's time to put everything together. This is when you pull out CapCut. Now, how do you use CapCut? We are not sponsored by CapCut, but if you're from CapCut and you do want to sponsor us, then you can just send us a DM. So in CapCut, you take your video, you take your A-roll, you cut it up to how you want it to sound, how you want it to feel. You're gonna add B-roll on top of your A-roll. Then you wanna put a little bit of music, not too loud, but just underneath to keep people's attention. If you have the time, add some text on screen. Emphasize specific points that you're making, or you can even just transcribe your video, and oftentimes videos with transcription do better than videos without. Number six, you finished the video, it looks great, you're happy with it. Post it on Facebook, post it on Instagram, post it on social media, whatever your sites are. Spam your friends. Copy and paste to everybody that would be comfortable with you sending that out. And when you post, have a compelling title and encourage people to share your video to get the message out. The number, whatever number we're on right now because I lost track, watch and see what happens. So this is just some free advice that I can give you to help increase exposure for your business. However, If you're looking to step up the quality of your content like this, then we've got you covered. If you're interested in doing a legit project, send us an email at production@intellegomedia.com and we'll hook you up. That's some free advice I can give you. Smash that like button, pound that subscribe, have lots of fun. That kind of works. What up, fam? We out here in some nice lighting, filming some A-roll.
Now we're getting some B-roll. Here's Jacob with the camera.